Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HubSpot CRM for sales, full guide step by step clearly. To install HubSpot CRM for sales, the first step is to open your web browser. Type in the URL for HubSpot's official website. Once the website loads, locate the Get HubSpot Free button on the homepage. Click on the button to start the sign-up process. You will be redirected to a new page where you can create a new account. Fill in your email address and click on Get Started Free. Next, check your email for a confirmation link from HubSpot. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. You will then be prompted to create a password for your account. Choose a strong password and enter it in the designated field. After setting your password, click on Continue. On the next screen, you will be asked to provide some additional information about your company. Fill in the required fields such as your company name, size, and industry. Click Next to proceed. You'll be directed to a setup wizard where you can customize your CRM settings. Follow the prompts in the setup wizard to tailor the system to your needs. After completing the setup, you'll be taken to the HubSpot dashboard. Here you'll find various tools and resources available for sales tracking. To access the sales tools, navigate to the main menu on the left. Click on Sales to explore the different functionalities offered. You can import your existing contacts by clicking on the Contacts option. Follow the prompts to upload your contact list. Once your contacts are imported, start customizing your pipeline. Click on Pipelines under the Sales menu to adjust the stages and details. You can add deal stages to align with your sales process. To track performance, navigate to the Reports section. This will give you insights into your sales performance. For further customization, explore the Settings option found in the main menu. Here, you can integrate other tools and customize user permissions. Once everything is set up, you are ready to start using HubSpot CRM for sales. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.